Well, guys, so we're in Invalides. Look at that. There's a large field, or basically where people are picnicking. There's a lot of people actually. Yeah, kasi ang haba ng field nila. Tapos, the Eiffel Tower is there. Yung tip ng tower. Hindi siya halata, but you can see it. And then, a lot of people picnicking. Wala masyadong araw. Ay, sana hindi pa maggabi. It's my last night. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit dito ako napadpad. Dapat bababa ako kanina, kaya lang hindi ako nakababa at the stop before this one. Kasi ang hirap ng train because siksikan. So, okay, hinayaan ko na lang. Napadpad ako ulit where I first got out of the train. Of the metro in Hari. Yung tulay ng music video ni Adele na Someone Like You. So, there. Hala, alis na ako dito. Parang hindi pa ako kontento. Ang bilis ko kasi. Bilis. Makakabalik kaya ako dito. Di ko alam. Kasi hindi ko alam kung mag-a-apply pa ulit ako ng visa. Kasi I don't see any reason. Not that I don't want to come back, but that alis na ako sa work. So paano ba ka mag-apply ng visa? Ito yung inanuhan ni Adele. Look. At least for the first few days, hindi siya satisfying. We need our meds na yung bago ako makapilin ng tao. Hindi ko na-excite ako. Magahin yung tao. Hello, bonjour. Tapos the Eiffel Tower is there. Gusto ko tumawid. Paano tayo tatawid? Tawid tayo saglit. So yun lang muna, lubat na ako. Wala na pala akong battery. Lakad ako ng lakad. Tapos, wow. It's real. It's not the Macau Eiffel Tower. It's the Paris Eiffel Tower. Very massive. Ano pa rin? Lubat na ako. Yun lang. At this point, I didn't know that there's no audio. So I just did the same thing. I don't know why, but for some reason, there's no sound. I didn't even realize that I was filming without audio. I might have accidentally pressed some button, or it's a glitch with the GoPro. I'm not very sure, but I don't even remember what I was saying at that moment. But I do remember that I was in the Eiffel Tower because I had this plan to do a vlog. I've been thinking of doing a vlog even before coming to Europe. So I printed out a paper with the word nakakapagpabagabag. So I want to do a tongue twister challenge, and I wasn't able to find anybody from Vienna, Austria, or maybe I didn't have time to actually find anyone. So now it's my last day in Paris, and I was thinking of going to the Eiffel Tower and find someone who will do the challenge with the Eiffel Tower in the background. So I will have someone from France, but it took me some time because I wasn't able to find anybody who was willing until I get to the end of the park, which I think is the Shadow Mars, if that's the name of the park. So this couple was sitting on the sidelines, and I asked them if they can do the challenge for the vlog, and I showed them the paper with the word nakakapagpabagabag and asked them to say the word. So the guy actually had a hard time saying the exact word, and basically was trying to pronounce the word by syllable. It would have been much better if there's an audio. Good thing these French people knew how to speak English. And after the guy also asked the girl to do this challenge as well, to say the word, and also she was having a hard time saying the word. And then after that, I still go on and try to find other people who would be willing to step up for the challenge, especially people in the park with the Eiffel Tower in the background, but I wasn't able to find any. I think they were skeptic because they are not familiar with the meaning of the word and they don't want to be filmed saying the word. I tried to ask some, but they refused and they felt embarrassed, so I didn't continue anymore. And at that time, the sun was already going down, so I was thinking that okay, I think one is enough, so I just had to like move on and go to other landmarks that I wasn't able to go to yet.